Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is yours truly, King Raygon the Champ, and this is the aftermath of yet another thunderstorm. And one of my husband's pillows is way over here in the distance. It's supposed to be right here. And of course, if I lift this up, yeah, it got drenched. Lord have mercy. Look at all the water dripping from it. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. I don't know what to do to dry this thing out, but good grief. That's ridiculous. As you can see, I have my sandals on. I mean, it's been warm lately. And here's where my husband's other pillow is. And that's where the storm is going, I guess. It's going that way towards Thornburg by the looks of it. And we got a little parting in the cloud here. Whew, what a thunderstorm, though. It was pretty bad. Pretty bad. Our dog was totally wigging out. But it was pretty bad for a thunderstorm.